We've never felt unsafe, ever.
The whole island is very safe.
Aruba is really safe.
Yes, I've spoken to enough of our visitors to know that they agree with Travel and Leisure's latest recognition of Aruba being the safest island in the Caribbean. While some Caribbean destinations are facing rising crime and travel concerns, Aruba stands out as a safe haven, ranking #1 in the 2025 Caribbean Island Safety Index. With low crime, great healthcare, and zero hurricane risk, the island offers peace of mind to travelers worldwide. And our wonderful visitors couldn't agree more.
I guess there's not many places in the Caribbean where you can feel safe to travel to alone, especially coming from North America.
We love, #1, it's very safe.
Yes, the people, they're very friendly. It's a very safe island. I felt so safe all around at any point of the day, night.
The neighborhood we stay in is safe. We don't ever feel unsafe anywhere we are, so it makes it nice. And so, if you're in a place that you feel comfortable, you get in a car, you don't, get your Google map out, figure out where you're going to go. We've seen places on this island that we never see in the tourism books, and we've never felt unsafe, ever. And we've been here, this is our 7th time.
It is a safe island, a happy island, and the Arubians are just the nicest, friendliest people.
I think for one, you can go anywhere and the whole island is very safe. It's very friendly for tourists. The people are great everywhere. Everyone's helpful and just nice to you.
Well, we've cruised for many, many, many years and visited a lot of different islands. When we came to Aruba, we just loved it. I mean, everything that we like to do is here for us. The food is fantastic. It's so easy to get around. I rent a car every time I come here. We love the places, the hotels, the beaches are beautiful, the water is fantastic, and the weather, of course, is great. I mean, it's got everything we want. It's relaxing, it's calm, it's pleasant. People are very, very friendly. We just enjoy it.
I am a travel agent by trade, and anytime someone wants to go to the Caribbean, my #1 island recommendation is Aruba. It does not have the resort feel. It is very safe to go around. The gastronomy is phenomenal, and the locals are very friendly. So the weather is always guaranteed. Even if it rains 5 minutes, it's 5 minutes. So you have the best of everything in Aruba.
Hanging out with the locals, they're a whole lot of fun to be around.
I feel very safe. I feel like this island it's just incredible. I love here.
For me, this is my first time in Aruba, and my family frequents the island fairly often. And all they've said about this place is how safe it is, how friendly the people are, and how just how much they enjoy it, like compared to all the other islands.
And it's very, very safe. The locals are very, very happy people. They speak a couple of languages.
Safe, comfortable, happy. It's just the best island in the Caribbean.
You want to go someplace that you're almost guaranteed no rain, sunshine all the time, and beautiful people, it's Aruba.
People are absolutely the friendliest people we've ever met.
Our Minister of Tourism, Wendrick Cecilia, acknowledged this latest recognition by Travel and Leisure, and he credits every success in our tourism is thanks to our people, who wake up each day with tourism and service in their hearts. Let's continue welcoming our guests. Being named the safest island in the Caribbean by Travel and Leisure is a meaningful recognition for Aruba. It reflects our collective commitment to safety, hospitality, and the care we show for both visitors and each other.